Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to engage or disengage the child locks. Now the purpose of child locks is to disable the interior door handles while the vehicle is driving, right? So if you have kids sitting on the back seats, the purpose is they cannot open the door while you are driving. And now I will show you how to activate them. Once the door is opened, and if you look at the edge of the door, you will see this arrow, and you will see this lock and a small person icon. So right here, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, like here deep inside there is like a lock that you have to insert your key in to engage it. Okay, just like this. And now I engage the child lock. And now I will show you. If I get inside this vehicle, this door handle should not be working. Okay, see, I cannot exit the vehicle, but the exterior door handle will still be working, so only this one. And you have to do the same thing on the other side if you want to engage the other door as well. So on the other door, like I said, same thing. Here's the lock, just lock it. And now I will disengage the other one, and that's it. It's very simple to do. Okay, you see I can open the door without any problem. And now I will just disengage it, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.